parking garage we'll be doing again this year. We brought our new toys out. It's actually reclaims. We're going to use the surface cleaner on the edges where we can't get the machine, and then rinse to the center. So the cyclone's going to take care of everything. Thank goodness it's a little warmer in the parking garage than it is outside. But I'll be sharing videos as we go. I like being out in the field because if you don't do, you can't teach. So, teachable moments are ones when you're on the job site. Guys, I'm going to get ready to go, and you guys stay humble and hustle hard. And hopefully it warms up for me today because I am freezing. Freezing. But here's the office today, guys. Guys, take care. Have a great Monday.